Hi there, business owners. Today, I'm diving into an essential topic, global patent protection. Did you know patents are territorial? This means you must register your patent in each country where you want protection. First things first, ensure your patent is registered and recognized in your chosen countries. Now, let's talk strategy. 1. The PCT, administered by the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, offers a unified procedure for filing patent applications. By leveraging the PCT, companies like Macrotech, Inc. can extend patent protection internationally. 1. Explore licensing your technology under strict agreements, including NDAs and non-compete clauses. These agreements can specify penalties for IP infringement and establish arbitration mechanisms for disputes. 1. ADR methods like mediation and arbitration offer confidentiality, speed, and cost-effectiveness. They're a great alternative to traditional litigation and help preserve business relationships. 1. As the digital landscape evolves, investing in digital rights management (DRM) technologies becomes crucial. DRM can significantly enhance security measures and protect your valuable IP. In conclusion, safeguarding your company's innovation is crucial. Utilizing the PCT, crafting well-defined licensing agreements, preparing for ADR, and investing in security technology form a comprehensive IP protection strategy. Stay vigilant and adaptable to ensure the sustainability of your company's future. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time, sir.